Bobby. Good boy, stay. Hey, Johnny.
Look, we're making childhood memories right here.
Oh, well, there's childhood memories. With the same little floater you used when you were like a year old.
Well, we don't have to buy a dog floaty.
You know, because he has the same floaty right there. He's too cute. And then that
And he's
baby.
not used to it, so like, he's not seriously in the water, it's just like his feet.
I tell you, you can't complain. You wanted to be in the pool as a lifeguard. Look at you.
You're the one that wants to save us all the time.
Well, now you're in for good. In your own little floaty. That's too cute, right? Oh, that's so cute.
Let's take off the knife.